today we'll be installing a heat pump, and we'll be doing a conversion from R22 to 410A, and the heat pump is a 2.5 ton 410A unit, and what we're taking out is a 2 ton R22 unit. So stay tuned. So here's the unit we'll be changing out. This is a Lennox 2.5 ton, and this is a 2 ton R22, and this is a 410. So we're gonna go ahead and get everything disconnected. Got the breaker pull, and we'll go from there. Got the old unit moved out, and the new unit is in place. We'll get ready to braze this line. Got everything hooked up. Now we'll go ahead and get it charged up. So here is the unit that we added. It's a 410 outdoor condenser unit, and inside it has the R22 coil. So this used to be a R22 unit, and we put in a 410 condenser, and we put it in during the winter time. So we was able to add freon enough for it to heat during the winter. So now it's starting to get summertime, and it needs to add some more freon and see how it works. So that's what we're getting ready to do now. Add some freon for the summer to see if it'll cool properly. So stay tuned. low. So definitely needs freon. So it is running fine, and I'm gonna leave it about 130 psi. It's starting to cool inside. The lines are not freezing up. So we're gonna let it run there and see what we come up with. So everything's working fine. It's still holding about 130, and this is a 2.5 ton Lennox unit, and it's a 410 condenser with a R22 coil inside with a piston, and it's cooling inside, and the line is not freezing up. So everything's working fine for this experiment. So once again, we're seeing if you can put a 410 unit on a R22 coil. So far everything is working fine, and this is with a piston. So let me know what you think. Talk to you later.